I'm going to reveal the real reason you're struggling to lose belly fat as a corporate professional, and more importantly, how you can fix it. I'm going to show you how to lose weight effectively using proven strategies that are time efficient and designed specifically for people like you. So if you're watching this, you're probably familiar with every mainstream fitness strategy out there. You spend hours counting calories only to find yourself hungry and irritable, and even more frustrated when the results don't show. And not to mention, it's been impossible to stick to any of these diets when you're constantly out of business dinners or treating the wife to lunch every weekend. Then there's the gym. You try to hit the gym 4 to 5 times a week, squeezing in sessions at 6 a.m. or after long work days, only to feel too exhausted to give it your all. And honestly, I don't blame you. After 10-hour work days filled with meetings, presentations, and last-minute deadlines, who has the energy to power through even the easiest of workouts? You feel like you're doing everything right, but no matter how many sacrifices you make, the belly fat just keeps hanging on, and you're starting to feel like it's just part of getting older and an inevitable part of being in a high-stakes career. The first thing we need to rethink is your workout routine. If you're trying to spend hours in the gym alongside your hectic schedule to burn off that belly fat, only to feel exhausted and even more stressed after, you're not alone. Most corporate professionals fall into this trap. You think, if I just push harder and put in more time, the fat will obviously go away. But the reality is those kinds of sessions are probably doing more harm than good. The thing is, when you're working 50 to 60 hours a week under constant pressure, your body doesn't need more stress. It needs something that works with your stress levels and not against them. So here's my proven solution for you. Dumbbells are versatile, and you can complete an effective full body session with them in less than 30 minutes. There are so many ways that you can structure these workouts too. You can form 3 big compound moves as straight sets, or if you're really short on time, you can perform your main lift. Then for the other 2 exercises, you can superset them. For example, you can perform dumbbell RDLs for 3 sets of 6, then superset incline chest press and single arm rows for 3 sets of 6 also. Just make sure that you're working hard and at an intensity that's challenging and safe. The result of these dumbbell only sessions is you can train more consistently as your sessions are shorter. You're getting stronger, building lean muscle, moving better without feeling too stressed. Next, let's talk about sleep. It's one of the most undervalued aspects of fat loss, but it's essential for reducing stress and keeping stress and hunger stimulating hormones in check. Most fitness advice tells you to get 8 hours of sleep every night, which can be tough with your demanding schedule. And you know what? It's not necessary. This is because the body goes through 5 sleep cycles in roughly 90-minute intervals. So this means that you can get by just fine with around 6 to 7 hours of sleep. To help you get quality sleep, a wind down routine is super helpful. Stress from work will keep your mind racing like crazy at night. So here's an actionable 15-minute wind down routine to do before bed that will get you instant results. Turn down the brightness on your screens and in your environment around 30 minutes before bed. This signals to your brain that it's time to relax. Spend 5 to 10 minutes reading or journaling. This helps release tension built up during the day, signaling to your body that it's time to rest. And take 2 minutes to practice deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. This technique triggers the body's relaxation response, making it much easier to fall asleep. Another quick tip, stop caffeine intake after 2 p.m. This is because caffeine has a half-life of around about 6 hours, meaning it can stay in your system long after you've had that afternoon coffee. Cutting it out after lunch can drastically improve your ability to fall asleep. Lastly, we need to address your nutrition. You're probably used to hearing conflicting advice from fitness gurus all over social media. Cut carbs, avoid fat, go keto, intermittent fast, whatever. Now, you know what it's like. You're at business dinner, everyone's ordering wine, steak, pizza, monster cheeseburgers, and you feel like the odd one out trying to order a salad. It can be uncomfortable and it feels restrictive, and eventually you give in thinking, what's the point? I don't want to be a pariah. But the truth is, all of those extremes are adding more stress to your life. So I'm going to show you a more flexible approach that not only reduces stress and guilt, but actually helps you to lose belly fat without depriving yourself of the foods that you love. And it's called weekly calorie cycling. Once you know, when you have a business dinner, for example, you can adjust the calories from other days by reducing the fats and carbs from those days. And then you can add those calories to your business dinner, giving you more leeway to go slightly off track. In these situations, do your best to get a menu beforehand to scope out the highest protein dishes. And in some instances, and I've done this, you can call the restaurant to see if it's appropriate to make requests so that your dish is as healthy as possible. For example, switching the chicken from deep fried to grilled. When at those work events, mindful eating is key. It's going to help you to slow down your pace of eating, which is better for digestion and hunger signaling, stopping you from overeating. I recommend putting your fork down between every mouthful and only picking up the fork again when you swallow. You'll find you feel fuller, faster, and avoid overeating, which can happen when you're stressed. That being said, there you have it. Let's do a quick recap of everything that we've covered today. Shorter, stress-smart workouts, a wind-down sleep routine, and balanced, flexible nutrition with plans for contingencies. These strategies will not only help you to lose belly fat, but they also lower your stress and massively increase your energy levels on a day-to-day basis, making the entire process easier and more sustainable in the long term. Imagine how you'll feel 6 months from now, leaner, more confident, full of energy, and no more worrying about how your clothes fit or feeling self-conscious at work or social events. You'll finally have a routine that fits your lifestyle without sacrificing your career or social life. Now, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you'd like more personalized and handheld help to take control of your health and lose 8 to 12 kilograms of belly fat in less than 180 days guaranteed, click the link below to book your free strategy session with me. In this call, we'll dive deep into your specific challenges and obstacles so I can build a personalized plan that works perfectly with your demanding schedule. You don't need to figure this all out alone, and I really appreciate you watching. And remember, you can 100% beat the stress and achieve the body you want. It just takes the right approach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.